Today, members of TEEX gathered in an interesting location in College Station to practice rappelling training when it comes to saving victims from dangerous situations. Our very own William Johnson has the story.
Luis Cuevas says he spent most of his life knowing he wanted to save people. He became a firefighter after college in Caracas, Venezuela, and now serves as an instructor for TEEX. He says it all started when he saw the service of others firsthand.
I started training with the military on rappelling and SAR operations, and just got love for helping other people and being useful for my community, being a functional citizen.
Today, he's helped lead a class of emergency responders on how best to save a victim in a high-stakes situation. Cuevas says it could happen anywhere and anytime, which is why the instructor taught today's lesson across Kyle Field at A&M.
With a victim, or we need to place a team in there or canines in there to be able to do any work. And yeah, we span the horizontal distance, get somebody in there, set them down, and bring them up.
Students from all over got to get in on the action. Shannon Morris says she's a rookie on the College Station Fire Department who's learning new skills from today's lesson.
We have 2 lines for the rescuer to glide across, and then we also have some tag lines to control their ascent and descent up and down.
For others from farther areas like Waleg Haimgun from Africa, they're keeping meaning behind their mission tied to them as they continue to do their work.
It's like one job that I can feel I'm doing something like great to help people.
For the instructor, he says he's happy to make TEEX's name known all over so that others considering taking on the task know that there are options out there.
I've been in almost every continent doing rescue, either learning and teaching it or exposed to it, and everybody talks about TEEX all over the world.
As they continue to risk their lives while trying to save those from danger.
TEEX representatives say they've trained more than 138,000 participants last year alone and look forward to more training opportunities in the future.